Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional RSVP form on your WordPress site. Step by step, no coding needed. Whether you're planning a wedding, event, or online meetup, this form will help your visitors confirm attendance easily and make your event management super smooth. So stay with me till the end. This one's quick and worth it. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress account. Head over to the top right corner of the WordPress homepage and click on the Login button. If you want a faster and more secure way to sign in, choose Continue with Google. Once prompted, just select your Google account and you'll be taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. Now that we're inside the dashboard, you'll see a panel full of quick links and tools. From here, click on the Edit Site option. This will take you straight to the site editor where you can make live changes to your website. If you manage multiple sites, just select the one you want to add the RSVP form to, and you're good to go. Next, look at the top left corner of your editor and click on the plus icon. This is your block inserter. It lets you add new elements to your page. In the search bar that appears, type RSVP form. You'll see the RSVP form block pop up. Go ahead and click on it to insert it directly into your page. Once the form is added, you can customize it however you like. Edit the form fields to include details like the guest name, email, number of attendees, and maybe even a special notes section. You can also adjust the layout, button color, and font style to match your site's theme so it looks perfectly integrated. Take a moment to review your form. Make sure all the labels are clear and that your visitors will know exactly what to do. When you're happy with the design, click on the Save button at the top right corner. And that's it. Your RSVP form is now live on your WordPress site. And there you will be with it, your very own RSVP form, ready to collect responses and manage events effortlessly. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and make your event planning more professional. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.